Then a very warm welcome to all of you on Basant Play School, Kusum, Bihar. So as you all know that tomorrow is Janmashtami, that's why we are here to make something special for Janmashtami. We are going to make some crown and some matka by using this kind of colorful chart paper and this golden set. So let's see which things we require for making this kind of crown and this kind of matka. First of all, you need some craft paper that can be colorful, but there should be green, blue must, and you need some golden sheet like that for making crown. You need some glue, scissor, stapler, and also some stickers, colorful stickers. This type of glittery stickers. You can take out any kind of stickers like some star, some smiley, any kind of stickers. So let's see how can we make some crown. So first of all, we will take this golden sheet and we'll make a strip that can be wider like that. इतनी चौड़ी हम एक strips बना लेंगे. So first, we'll draw with the help of this scale. Then we will completely know that how much wider we need some strip. I have drawn here. Then I will cut it down. तो यहाँ पे मैंने इस पतली से स्ट्रिप को कट कर लिया है. अब हम इसको दोनों साइड से पकड़ के एक के ऊपर रख के इसको हम स्टेपलर से हम इसको सिक्योर कर लेंगे. हियर आप इसको स्टेपलर से सिक्योर कर लिया है विद दिस पार्ट. अब हम इसको साइड में रख देंगे एंड नाउ विल मेक द फेदर ऑफ पीकॉक, यानी कि जो मोर पंख होता है हम वो बनाएंगे. उसको बनाने के लिए सबसे पहले हम लेंगे दिस ब्लू कलर चार्ट पेपर. So here I have then we'll take this color. We'll cut it also. Cut it down. We'll take another color. Now we'll stick it. You can see how it is looking. Now ये जो हमारा फेदर है, अब ये जो हमारा फेदर है इसको हम इसके साइड में यहाँ पे या तो स्टैपल कर देंगे या फिर इसको स्टिक कर देंगे. ओके, so now our crown is ready. So now let's make a matka. For making matka you need a compass. With the help of the compass we have to make a circle like that, and from the front part of this circle we'll give the shape of pot like that, and then dark it with the help of any sketch pen. Then it will be easy to cut it down. So after darkening all the part of this matka, we'll cut it down. So here I have cut it, and will also cut the corner part of this matka, then it will be the completely shape of matka. And after that I will make a 3 curve line in between the pot like that with the help of pencil, and then I will cut very thin strips at the sides of that all the curve lines. You can also put some lace over here if you have, otherwise you can stick this type of strips. It will look so nice for decorating this pot. So I have cut all the strips according to their size, and then I will stick all the strip one by one. You can also put some lace, some what you call glittery things, some many things you can put it here, then it will look very nice and more attractive. Here I have started to sticking all the strips, as you can see. You can also choose any color of chart paper instead of yellow color. You can choose orange, red, any color. And here I have sticked all the strips here. Now we'll put some stickers on this matka. You can choose any stickers according to your choice, like anyone. So children, this is our matka and this is our crown. If you like, then you can also try to make it at your home tomorrow, and you are really going to enjoy this, because it can take only 15 to 20 minutes to make this kind of matka and this kind of crown, and you also wear this on your head tomorrow. You will look like very cute. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and don't forget to subscribe Bachpan Play School Kusum Bihar to get more such kind of videos. So thanks for watching, thanks for being here till end. Bye bye children, take care.